Hello my lovely girls, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so are you excited about the next topic? It's related to shoes. So, whenever you try to look anybody new in a room full of people, what is the first thing you notice about the person? First of all, you notice their looks, their face. But what is the second most thing you look in a people? It's always what shoes they are wearing. So, ladies, it's really important to invest your money on the kind of shoes you should wear to give your signature style. Okay, so today I will show you what kind of shoes I wear to give that signature style kind of vibe, and what I believe you should always have a pair of those type of shoes to give a lasting impression on the people you talk or interact with on day-to-day basis. Okay, so let's start. So the first type of shoes which I feel is very important to have is pumps. Your pumps, can you see them? Your black pumps who are covered from the top. Okay, and you can see the heel is very short because nowadays I'm not gonna wear the heels which are making me look really uncomfortable. I feel ki if you are purchasing a heel, go for 3 inches maximum. Don't go for very high heels, because nowadays if you want to portray a very feminine look and a very classy chic look, middle level, middle size heels are in, ladies. Okay, don't go for 5 inches heels. That makes you look more gaudy, and especially in parties, yeah, of course you can wear it. And if you are going to have some photo shoot, okay, you are traveling and you want to have some really nice photo shoots, you can go for high heels. But I feel this middle heel is the best. I have these party heels, you can see it. While traveling I always take them in. Okay, I always carry it with me, and they give a very nice look, right? And nowadays I personally don't feel it's good to have these 5-inch heels. And yeah, one more thing, when you are buying heels you need to remember is, see here the heel, this heel part, can you see that this heel part, it ends under this end of the heel part, right? It's under here, it's not over here. Okay, so you need to purchase the heel which is under, okay, which is below but it is tilted towards your toes more. Okay, that heel will make you more comfortable, it will make you feel more comfortable than the heel which is over after this end section of your shoes. Okay, just keep remind that. And yes, whenever you are going to buy heels or buy any kind of shoes, always whenever you're going to mall, always remember that you are gonna try them after 5 p.m. because what happens is, ladies, our body kind of expands after evening time. Okay, after 5 p.m. our body kind of expands, so we are gonna end up taking a little loose heel rather than a little light tight heel. Okay, and it's very important, otherwise you will feel really uncomfortable wearing those heels which you have tried and tested, walked for 2-3 minutes in the mall and then purchased it, but it was in the morning time. Try to purchase in the evening time, it will be more beneficial to you. Okay, so next type of heel is a nude pair of heels. Can you see them? It looks so chic and stylish. I got it from Charles and Keith. Okay, I got it from Charles and Keith. So it's my favorite brand of shoes, and you guys can check it out. Try to have one black pair of heels and one nude pair of heels, because when you wear these nude pair of heels, what's gonna happen is you are gonna look much more taller than how you are in general. Okay, so the next type of heel I have is party heels. You can see these are very nice golden pair of heels, okay, and these are the most comfortable pair of heels I have so far, because I already told you the trick. The heels are at the inside part, okay. So always try to purchase this kind of heel, golden heels, if you want to give a very glam, a party kind of look. If you want to have that kind of look, go for these golden heels, okay. I'm sure you like it. One more thing I want to tell you is, suppose you have a pair of heel, okay, and your heels are giving you shoe bites from here, okay. You know, every girl knows this, and every girl hates that. So what you are gonna do is, you need to buy heel guards. These are called heel guards, okay. You can get it from Amazon, okay, and there is a sticker. Just remove that sticker, as you can see. Just remove that sticker, and you have to place it here. Are you able to see? Just place it here, because two things will happen. If your number one, if your pair of heel, it's loose to you and it's falling off from your foot, it will make you a little tight from here. And secondly, it will prevent you from getting any kind of shoe bites and hurting your heels, okay, hurting your legs. So this is one wonderful trick. Second thing is, girls, if you feel pain at the middle lower section of your foot, okay, so everybody has these cotton pads, right? We used to use these to wipe our nails, nail polishes, okay. So you have these cotton pads. What you're gonna do is, just put it here in the middle section part, okay. Before wearing your heels, just put it here in the middle section part of your heel, and then you are gonna stick it, and then you are gonna wear your pair of shoes. What it will happen is, it will give you that comfort, so your feet from the middle section will stop hurting. And one more thing, ladies, to remind you is, so many girls develop bunions. Bunions are small bumps, red bumps, to the next of your toes, your thumb toe. So many girls wear that bunions. It's a medical term called bunion for that small bump which appears. So that means your foot is really sensitive around that area. That area should not touch your shoes at all. For that, you need to wear the heels which will, suppose I'm wearing this heel and that bunion area, that thumb toe is here, okay. So this is that area where it hurts the most. You need to wear the pair of heels which are longer, okay, which are longer than that area. It should, your shoes should never end, your front of the shoe should never end at that area, because that's gonna hurt more when it will touch that bunion of yours, okay. So you need to buy a pair of silicone pads. I repeat, you can get it from Amazon. You just need to buy it, okay, and wear that before wearing any type of shoes, silicone pads, and that will prevent you from touching your toe thumb, your skin with the shoes, okay. So and make sure you never wear the kind of shoes or heels where the front portion ends exactly where it is hurting. No, either it should be short or it should be long enough, like this. So if my thumb toe ends here, okay, and that bunion ends here, see, and I'm wearing that silicone pad in my toe thumb, so this heel I can wear because it's larger in size, okay. So that I wanted to show you, ladies, okay. That's another trick. Okay, make sure you utilize all these tricks and your feet will be in safe hands and you will feel very much comfortable wearing any type of heel. Next category I'm coming up with a pair of sneakers. You need to buy one white plain pair of sneakers to go for gym, to go for any casual look you want to give. Okay, I have used these pair of sneakers so many number of times when I'm going for mountaineering, when I'm going to any hill stations and I cannot wear heels at all. When you are going to some rocky mountains, okay, just try to buy one white, plain white, no stars, nothing studded here, just plain pair of sneakers, white colored, because you are gonna look so much fashionable wearing this instead of buying any random sneakers. Okay, so this was my second category, and the third category which I want to show you is winter boot. So these are my pair of boots. Okay, as you can see, they are really nice. Ladies who really feel uncomfortable wearing heels, who think that heels is not their type, wear boots. You want to look still fashionable without heels, you need to buy boots, ladies. You need to buy boots. And especially for winters, I feel boots are a representation of a really stylish girl when she wears a very nice black pair of boots. I have another pair of boots also, and these are not that clean but these are the pair of boots which I have used so many number of times from so many years, and I got it from Forever 21. Okay, I got it from Forever 21, and trust me ladies, I have danced in these pair of boots in so many night parties and my feet never hurts when I wear these type of boots, because number one, boots are really comfortable, especially in winters, so boots are really comfortable. Secondly, you are not fidgeting, you're not fumbling when you are wearing boots instead of when you are wearing heels, because the chances of falling down when you are wearing a high heel is more than when you are wearing boots. Okay, so you can save yourself from major fractures if you are wearing winter boots. But the only problem is sometimes for fall and for winter only you can wear the boots. In summer, I won't recommend you to wear boots. Okay, go for either sneakers. If your feet really hurts, go for sneakers like these white, pair of sneakers, or you can better go for heels. Okay, so that's it, my ladies. And if you want to know more about the summer flats, I can come up with that video also, but before that you need to comment and like this video. And if you really like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, okay, so that I can get to know more about what kind of things you like and what kind of videos you want to see doing me. Okay, so if anybody is new here, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel. I make videos for girls, for ladies out there who wants to pursue fashion, and you will see a lot of incoming videos with more fashion. Okay, so subscribe my channel if you're new to my channel, and for my true subscribers, I love you guys. Bye bye.